Hi guys! Today let's make the humble apple crumble. This recipe serves 4 to 6 people and can be doubled easily for larger parties. So we're going to take 4 large apples and we're going to peel, core and chop them into large chunks. To the apples, we're going to add 3 heaped tablespoons of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Berries, pears, peaches, stone fruits in general, they all work really well with crumbles, so try mixing it up. You'll love them. Just give the apples a good mix and pour them into a baking dish. This dish should be able to go into the oven with no issues. Usually Corningware works best. If you don't have a Corningware dish, you can always use Pyrex. Add 2 tablespoons of butter that's been chopped into small chunks. Now on to the crumble topping. For this we need half a cup of flour, 2/3 of a cup of oats, 1/3 cup of sugar, and we're just going to give this a quick blitz in the food processor. Don't overdo it, otherwise the crumbs will be uniform and it won't give you that much of a crunch when it comes time to baking. And to this we're going to add 1/4 cup of cold butter. Just mix until combined. The texture will be like coarse breadcrumbs, and that's perfect. Now we're just going to pour the crumble mix over the fruit. At this point you have to be careful not to pack the crumble mix over the fruit. Packing the crumble mix onto the fruit will give you a really dense crumble. You can always transfer this into a more shallow dish, double up the crumble mix ingredients and make this more suited to your liking. Bake this at 180 Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. The crumble will be golden brown and the mixture will be bubbling. Serve it really hot, and you can serve it with cream, ice cream or custard, or you can do all 3. Well, there you have it guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!